Hello everyone, welcome to Technology Glance. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to call someone on BuzzCast. Make sure to watch the whole video to learn how. Let's begin. First, open up BuzzCast on your mobile device. Go ahead and tap on the stream of your choice. Once you have joined the live, you can see a small 2-person icon at the bottom of your screen. Go ahead and tap on the icon. Now you can see two options whether to voice call or video call. You can tap on either one to start your call on BuzzCast. And that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please click the thumbs up button. If you have any questions or thoughts, type them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates. Click the bell icon too so you'll know when we post a new video. We'll be back with another video soon. Thanks for watching.